Hello children, in continuation with the integers, today we will see the comparing integers. So for that we will draw one number line here. Okay. So here is the number line. Here is the number line. As all of you know that the center there is a 0. Okay. And as you go towards the right side, this is right, your right is books right or number lines right. So here it is 1, we have to take the unit distance. Here it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. This side 0, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. So in this way this number line is there. It what happens, it extend both the side. Okay, there is a no limit, we can write all numbers on this number line. Okay, so if you see here in comparison inside, if you notice that one thing you have to keep in your mind, all the negative numbers are smaller than 0. All these numbers means these numbers are negative numbers. Okay, so these negative numbers are, if as you go from left to right the numbers are greater, and if you come from right to left the numbers become smaller and smaller. As you go from left to right the numbers are become bigger and bigger. Okay, and if you come from right to left the numbers become smaller and smaller. So if you see, if I will write here -6, what I will write here, -6, this is the -6. -6 is smaller. As what I told you, if you go from here to here numbers, what happens, its value increases. Okay, so and as you come from left to right, first we will see this point, increases. So -6 is smaller than -5. Yes, you will say that here is 6 and here is 5. Then how the 6 is always greater than 5? That always teacher is teaching to us. But actually when the negative numbers are there, the greater the number, what happens, it becomes smaller. If number is greater, it is smaller. Okay, if 1000 -1000 is smaller than -1. -1000 is smaller than -1. Okay, so here it is -6 is smaller than -5. Then -5 is smaller than whom? -4. Okay, then it is smaller than -3. Then it is smaller than -2. Again it is smaller than -1. Okay, -1 is smaller than 0. Means this all number -6, this -6 is there, it is smaller than 0. -6 is smaller than 0. -5 is also smaller than 0. -4 is also smaller than 0. If I will write somewhere -1000, it is smaller than 0. It is smaller than which? -6. If it is smaller than -6, suppose I write here -1000, it is smaller than the all numbers. Okay, then this -1000 is there. As the number increases, number is greater but it has negative sign, then it becomes smaller. Okay, so in that way we have to complete. Now we are moving toward the right side of the number line. So -1 is smaller than 0. 0 is smaller than 1. 1 is smaller than 2. 2 is smaller than 3. 3 is smaller than 4. 4 is smaller than 5. 5 is smaller than 6. In this way, these numbers are what? It becomes, means when you come towards the left side of the number line, the numbers become smaller, and when you move towards the right side of a number line, the numbers are becoming greater. Okay, so if we compare this in this way, suppose I will write here -5 and box, and here I wrote +5. So which is greater from this? What I told you, if the number is negative, then what happens? It is always smaller than the positive number. So -5 is smaller than +5. Suppose I will write here -1 box means here you have to write the comparing. We are comparing inside signs which are there, greater than, smaller than, and is equal to. These signs we have to put inside it. -1, and here if I have written here minus 45. So from these two numbers, which is the smaller number? 1 is smaller actually, and here 45 is greater. But here negative sign comes, then what happens? The smaller number becomes bigger and bigger becomes smaller. So who is greater from this? -1 is greater or -45 is greater? As if we write this -45 on this number line, it will come back of left of the number -1, and here -1 is greater. Okay, what I said, that if the both numbers are negative, okay, both numbers are negative, the smaller number is greater 1. Now if I will write here 0 box -39, so which is greater from this? 0 is greater or 39 is greater? Always 0 is greater than. 0 is greater than all negative numbers. What I said, that 0 is greater than all negative numbers. So -39, it is 39 if we are taking only, then it is greater number, but -39 is smaller than 0. Okay, and 0 is greater than -39. Now suppose I will write here -45 box -45, and here I will write suppose 4. Now which is greater from this? Positive number is always greater than negative number. So here -45, its value, 45's value is more, but it is negative. So 4 is greater than -45. So what we think we understand, if both numbers are negative, if both numbers are negative, both numbers negative, if both numbers are negative, which is the greater number? The smaller number is greater one. Smaller number is greater. Okay, for example, what I said, that -1 and -4 is there, then from this smaller number is 1 and it is greater 1. Okay, this is the first term. It's the example I wrote it here. Now second condition is that 0 is greater than, 0 is greater than all negative numbers. These things you have to keep in your mind. So if I will write here 0, and if I will compare with the what, suppose -225 I wrote it here, then which is greater? All 0 is greater than all which numbers I said? Negative numbers. So here 0 is greater than -25. Next point is the, if one number is positive, if one number out of two, if out of two numbers, number one is positive and other is negative, then which is, then positive number is always greater. Okay, so here suppose I will write here -25, and here -25, and here I written +5. So which is greater? The +5 is greater. Why? Because if one is positive and another is negative, always positive number is greater than the negative numbers. Okay, so from this what we are understanding, that, and both are positive, if both numbers are positive, both number, if both numbers are positive, if both numbers are positive, then both number are positive, then greater number is greater. Greater number is greater. Okay, for example, here I will write 5 and 7, and in this if I want to write the comparison, 7 is greater, and here it we have to write. Okay, so these 4 points if you keep in your mind, then you will not do any kind of mistake in comparison of the integers. First thing what I told you, that if on a number line every number is greater than then the number on it's immediately left by 1. Okay, so means minus 5 is greater than minus 6 by 1. Minus 5 is greater than minus 6 by 1. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5 by 1. Minus 3 is greater than minus 4 by 1. In this way, all numbers, if you go towards this side, then you will notice that all these numbers are greater than the previous one by 1. Okay, and comparison inside what we seen that if the both numbers are one number is positive, another is negative, always positive number is greater one. If both numbers are negative, the smaller the number, it is greater one. Next, if the 0 and any number is the negative number is there, then 0 is always greater than the negative number. And last, we seen that negative and positive numbers are there. Then what happens? There is a positive number is always greater than the negative one. Okay, and these rules we find out to understand or to solve the example. In that rule, what we said that both number negative, smaller number is greater. So here we written minus 1 and minus 4. So minus 1 is small negative. Both numbers are negative. Minus 4 also negative. So in this, which is smaller? Minus 1. So minus 1 is greater 1. 0 is greater than all negative numbers. So 0 and minus 25. So which is greater from this minus 25 and 0? So 0 is greater because it is 0 is greater than all negative numbers. Next, if out of two number, one is positive and other is negative. One is positive and other is negative. When it is small, then also it is greater, and when it will be greater. Suppose here I written minus 25 and 40. Then also positive number is greater than the all negative numbers. Then both the numbers are positive, the greater number is greater. So 7 is greater than 5. So that is the comparison. These things you have to keep in your mind. Now next, we will see some examples of this, and then you just solve the practice set number 7 at your home. Okay, now we will take some example. So if I will take here first example, I will take my own examples. So if it is plus 4 and if it is minus 4, so which is greater? Second example. Then minus 40 and here plus 4. Third, 0 and 9. Then fourth example, 0 and minus 9. Fifth example, 5, 4. Sixth example, we will take 7 and 70 but negative. Seventh example, we will take 8 and minus 8 and 5. Eighth example, we will take negative 5, negative 8. Then ninth example, we will take 4, 40 and 45. So we have to, and 10th example we will take, that is minus 1 and minus 100. 11th example we will take 100 and 101. And 12th example we will stop here only after this example. 49 and here we will take minus 30, and we have to solve this example. Just we have to follow the rules. If one number is positive, one number is negative, always which number is greater? I said to you, positive number is greater. So my plus 4 is greater than minus 4. Second, minus 40 and here plus 4. Same rule which we use here, that is when the one is positive, another is negative, which number is greater? I told you, always positive number is greater. Then 0 and 9. Okay, both have, this is positive number and this is the 0 doesn't have any sign. So always positive numbers are always greater than 0. Positive numbers are always greater than 0. So 9 is greater than 0. Now here 0 and minus 9. 0 and minus 9. So if all negative numbers are smaller than 0, I told you before only, its value is more, but actually it is smaller than 0 and 0 is greater than 9 minus 9. So from this both numbers are positive. If both numbers are positive, greater number is greater 1. For this 7 and 70, okay, if you see one is positive, another one is the negative one. So which is greater here? That is, the positive number is always greater than the negative numbers. If you see this same condition, negative, positive number is greater. Okay, then minus 5 and minus 5. If the both have the same signs and if it is negative sign, if both have the negative sign, greater the number is smaller and smaller the number one is greater. So minus 8 is smaller than minus 5. Value is more 8s and 5. But when it is negative, minus 5 is greater. Then 40 and 45 both are positive, so greater is greater 1. If you compare these two numbers 1 and minus 100, then inside it what, the minus 1 is greater than minus 100 because the both are negative, and when both are negative the smaller number is greater 1. Here 100 and 101, these both are positive, so greater the number, that is greater 1. And in this example 49 is greater than minus 30 because it is positive and it is negative. And one more example we will take. If the numbers are same 5 and 5, then in between which sign we have to write whenever we are comparing? So we have to write is equal to sign, okay, or minus 17, and here also minus 17. Which sign we have to put here? We have to put is equal to sign. Okay, 89 and 89 you will get it here. Which sign? That is the is equal to sign. So that is about the comparison of the lesson, and all of you today just solve practice set number 7, and these examples whatever I taught you, this also, and with these points also you have to note down from your video, okay, and practice set 7 you have to solve. So today we will stop here only, so do the practice of this. Okay, thank you.